Hello, I'm Charles Robert Darwin, and I was born in April of 1882. I'm an English naturalist and geologist, best known for my contribution to evolutionary theory. I established that all species of life have descended over life from common ancestors, and in a joint publication with Alfred Russel Wallace, I introduced my scientific theory that this branching pattern of evolution resulted from a process that I call natural selection, in which the struggle for existence has a similar effect to the artificial selection involved in selective breeding. I also published my theory with compelling in my 1859 book titled On the Origin of Species, which you can find in the bookshops even today anyway. Before all this progress, I just had to build some, so I did. I participated in the research about how our world of today ended to be as we see it today, so I was on the ship Beagle with Captain Robert Fitzroy. My observations led me to the final result I already mentioned. In October 1838, that is 15 months after I had begun my systematic inquiry, I happened to read for amusement Malthus on population, and being well prepared to appreciate the struggle for existence, which everywhere goes on from long-continued observations of the habits of animals and plants, it at once struck me that under these circumstances favorable variations would tend to be preserved and unfavorable ones to be destroyed. The result of this would be the formation of new species. Here then I had at last got a theory by which to work. Now, let's say we have camels, and we want to know why they have long neck. So, here is the conclusion from my theory. There were camels with short neck and with long neck. So, when they needed to find better food and much more than they had, some of them could reach the branches on the trees were higher with their long neck, so those with the short neck were extinct. Why? Because they weren't able to find food. So we have camels with long neck. So that is what I call natural selection.